I clean my house every day, even though I don't like cleaning. I think that it's boring, but I know that I have to do it to keep a clean and tidy house. Let's start with the kitchen. When I do the cooking, I always wipe the counter and the surfaces in general before I start to make sure that everywhere is clean. I always lay the table, which means to put the plates, cutlery and glasses on it ready for the meal, and clear the table when I have had my meal. Then, when I have finished, I wash the dishes or wash up. If it's a big meal with a lot of guests, I use the dishwasher because it's a lot easier. First, I load the dishwasher with all the bowls, plates and cutlery like knives, forks and spoons. Then I turn it on. When it has finished, I empty it and put the plates and bowls back into the cupboards and the cutlery back into the drawer. I also clean inside my appliances like my fridge or microwave, but I do that less often. I like to sort through leftover items in the fridge as well to make sure that nothing goes off, which means to go bad. If something has gone off or out of date, which doesn't happen very frequently, I have to throw it away. When the bin is quite full, I take the rubbish and the recycling out. In my area of England, we have giant bins outside our building, and the bin lorries come and collect it every week or every 2 weeks. They come on different days for the different coloured bins. For example, they come on Thursdays to collect the purple bin, which is the paper bin, and on Mondays to collect the grey bin, which is plastic. I sweep the floor in all of the rooms of the house almost every day. Sometimes, if I am tired and the floor is dirtier than usual, I vacuum the floor. I can only do this in the evening though, else I would be too noisy for my neighbours. I only mop the floor once a week because it takes a long time to dry. In England, the weather is usually cold and wet, so it takes ages. I also have chores to do in the bedroom. Firstly, I have to make the bed every morning after I wake up. Then I have to make sure that everything is tidy. Sometimes I have to tidy up my clothes or the things that I have on my bedside table, like hair products or face creams. I also have to iron the clothes that I'm going to wear that week and check that they are put away in the wardrobe nicely. If not, I have to iron them again, and I hate ironing. In the living room, I have to dust the furniture. After that, I sweep the floor or vacuum it. I also have to keep it tidy, so I tidy up every evening before going to bed. It's always nice to wake up to a clean house. At the weekends, I do the laundry. I do all of my laundry on Fridays and Sundays because I have more free time. I don't have a dryer, so I have to hang all of my clothes on an airer, which I keep on my balcony. However, as it rains quite often in England, I sometimes have to go to the laundrette, which is a place in the city where you take your clothes to be washed and dried. I always have to check the weather before putting the washing machine on. Another chore that I have to do less frequently is washing my car. I take my car to a car wash when it is dirty because I live in a flat, not a house. It costs me £2 to wash my car. The good thing is that in England it rains quite often, which keeps it clean, so I don't have to wash it every week. There are some jobs that I don't have to do because my flats hire someone to do them. For example, someone comes to clean my block of flats windows and to do the gardening. I'm glad that I don't have to water all of the flowers that we have in our shared garden or mow the lawn, which means to cut the grass in the garden. I don't have to take the dog out or feed it either because I haven't got one. I do have a cat though, so I do have to change the cat's litter box. Now we have some questions, and I would like you to answer these questions and write them down in the comment section. That way I can correct your answers. Question number 1. Does the speaker like cleaning? Question number 2. Where does she dry her clothes at home? Question number 3. Why does she have to take her clothes to the laundrette sometimes? Remember that the laundrette is the place in the city where you take your clothes to be cleaned and dried. Question number 4. Why doesn't she have to do the gardening? And question number 5. Does she have to take the dog out? So does she have to take the dog for a walk? And why or why not? Remember to send me your answers in the comment section, and that way I can correct your answers. If you have enjoyed this video, there are many videos like this on my channel at all different levels, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.